Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here, 2011 government past question number 24. And the question here says the Yoruba traditional system of government was dash. The Yoruba traditional system of government was dash. So this question is from pre-colonial administration in Nigeria. Now, option A say monarchical, option B say egalitarian, C say republic, D say democratic. Now, all the the forms of government practiced practice practiced by these societies are monarchical in nature. But in this monarchical in nature, there are different concepts that define them. So, and that the monarchical nature of the Yoruba system was in relation with what we call republic. So it was republican in nature. So the Yoruba traditional system of government was republican. Option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.